Hello friends, welcome back to this Facebook page. We are going to on a glass. First you have to draw a door like this and then a window can be drawn. After drawing window, you can draw trees with the help of different color markers. Now apply glue on the top and this house is ready. Take sticks and insert a hole in it. After doing this, take a cap and place them inside. These two caps are to be joined and see how with the help of this you can make a mill like this. Roll it and use it. You have to convert this paper into this form. Roll it and now place it inside it. Tap from the edges and then roll from the edges too. This hut is made. Take a balloon and cut it. Now in the balloon you have to place that clay. After applying clay and filling it with clay, you have to cover it. Close it by making this and then you can use them as a fluffy toys. Wow, pressing them looks so calming. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this.